Yo, what's going on, everyone? 2025 is here, and the camera game has seriously leveled up. If you're searching for the ultimate gear to shoot stunning videos, epic photos, or take your content to the next level, I've got you covered. From cutting-edge mirrorless to compact vlogging kings, these are the best cameras you can get your hands on this year. All the links you need are right down below in the description, so let's jump in and find your next camera. Number 5. Canon EOS R8, best camera for content creators. The Canon EOS R8 represents a significant advancement in the realm of mirrorless cameras, offering a compelling blend of performance, versatility, and user-friendly features. Building on the strengths of its predecessors, the EOS R8 is designed to cater to both amateur photographers and seasoned professionals alike. One of the standout features of the EOS R8 is its impressive 24.2 MP full-frame sensor, which delivers stunning image quality with remarkable detail and depth. This sensor is complemented by Canon's renowned dual-pixel CMOS AF technology, ensuring fast and accurate autofocus across a wide range of lighting conditions. Whether you're capturing fast-moving subjects or shooting in low light, the R8 excels with its responsive focusing capabilities. In addition to its photographic prowess, the EOS R8 shines in video recording as well. It supports 4K video capture at up to 60 frames per second, allowing for smooth and high-quality footage. The camera also offers various video features, including Canon Log and HDR-PQ, which provide greater flexibility in post-production and enhance the dynamic range of your recordings. The design of the Canon EOS R8 is both sleek and ergonomic, making it comfortable to hold during extended shooting sessions. It features a fully articulating touchscreen, which is perfect for vlogging or capturing creative angles. The camera's built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity enables seamless sharing and remote control via a smartphone, enhancing the overall user experience. Number 4. Sony a7 IV, best overall. The Sony a7 IV is a remarkable addition to Sony's acclaimed Alpha series of mirrorless cameras, catering to both enthusiasts and professionals alike. Building upon the success of its predecessor, the a7 III, this model introduces several enhancements that elevate its performance and versatility. At the heart of the a7 IV is a newly developed 33MP full-frame Exmor R sensor, which offers an impressive balance of resolution and low-light performance. This upgraded sensor ensures stunning image quality, capturing intricate details and vibrant colors even in challenging lighting conditions. Coupled with the latest Bionz XR image processor, the a7 IV delivers fast processing speeds, allowing for continuous shooting at up to 10 frames per second and impressive autofocus capabilities. One of the standout features of the a7 IV is its advanced autofocus system, which utilizes 759 phase detection points and 425 contrast detection points. This hybrid autofocus system ensures precise focusing on subjects, whether you're shooting stills or video. Eye autofocus has also been refined for both humans and animals, making it easier than ever to capture sharp portraits and wildlife shots. Number 3. Canon EOS R100, best camera for beginners. The Canon EOS R100 is a compact and versatile mirrorless camera that caters to both photography enthusiasts and casual shooters alike. Designed as an entry-level model in Canon's renowned EOS R series, it offers a seamless blend of user-friendly features and impressive performance. Equipped with a robust 24.1 mAp APS-C sensor, the EOS R100 delivers stunning image quality, capturing sharp details and vibrant colors even in challenging lighting conditions. Its Digic 8 image processor enhances overall performance, improving autofocus speed and accuracy while minimizing noise in low-light situations. Number 2. Nikon ZF, best for most people. The Nikon ZF represents a significant step forward in Nikon's mirrorless camera lineup, blending classic design elements with cutting-edge technology. Designed for both professional photographers and enthusiasts, the ZF pays homage to Nikon's rich history while incorporating modern features that enhance the shooting experience. At its core, the Nikon ZF is equipped with a full-frame sensor that delivers stunning image quality, remarkable dynamic range, and excellent low-light performance. This means that whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes, fast-paced sports, or intimate portraits, the ZF is capable of producing sharp, vibrant images with incredible detail. The inclusion of advanced autofocus technology ensures that subjects are captured with precision, even in challenging conditions. One of the standout features of the ZF is its dual-control dial layout, which offers intuitive access to essential camera settings. This design not only provides a familiar feel for users who appreciate traditional controls, but also allows for quick adjustments on the fly, making it easier to focus on the creative aspects of photography. The camera also boasts impressive video capabilities, supporting 4K recording and various frame rates, making it an attractive option for videographers as well. With in-body image stabilization, users can achieve smooth and steady footage, reducing the need for additional equipment. Number 1. Sony Alpha 6700. The Sony Alpha 6700 represents a significant advancement in the world of mirrorless cameras, catering to both photography enthusiasts and professionals alike. Positioned as a versatile option within Sony's acclaimed Alpha series, the A6700 boasts a remarkable combination of features and performance that make it stand out in a crowded market. At the heart of the Alpha 6700 is a powerful APS-C sensor, which delivers stunning image quality with impressive detail and dynamic range. This sensor enables photographers to capture vivid colors and sharp images, even in challenging lighting conditions. The camera also supports high-speed continuous shooting, allowing users to seize fast-moving subjects with precision, making it ideal for action photography, wildlife, and sports. One of the standout features of the A6700 is its advanced autofocus system. With a multitude of phase detection and contrast detection points, the camera ensures quick and accurate focusing, even on moving subjects. The inclusion of real-time eye autofocus technology means that whether you're shooting portraits of people or animals, you can be confident that the eyes will be perfectly sharp, enhancing the overall quality of your images. For videographers, the Sony Alpha 6700 offers robust video capabilities, including 4K recording with various frame rates and impressive in-camera stabilization options. This allows for smooth and professional-looking footage, making it suitable for content creators looking to produce high-quality video without the need for extensive post-production work.